Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your current Fenix A320 version number in the aircraft menu. Note the exact version to confirm update eligibility and avoid downgrades. Next, back up your community folder by copying it to another drive or backup folder. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Finally, verify you have at least 5 GB free disk space on the drive for the update files and temporary extraction. Close MSFS before downloading to avoid file locks and ensure a clean update. Log into your vendor account and download the official Fenix update package using a stable connection. Save the file to a known temporary folder to simplify extraction. After download, extract the package and confirm file integrity using provided checksums or file sizes. With MSFS closed, copy the extracted aircraft files into your community folder and overwrite existing files when prompted. Allow file transfers to complete fully. Reopen MSFS after installation to let the SIM detect the updated aircraft files automatically. After installation, launch MSFS and load the Fenix A320 using a default aircraft profile to verify the update. Check avionics boot, flight models, and exterior textures for expected behavior and version tags. If liveries or icons fail to appear, reset the livery cache by deleting the community livery cache or renaming it temporarily. If you encounter persistent errors, restore your backup copy of the community folder. Contact vendor support with your logs, current version number, and a description of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.